Apple means सेब. Apricot means खुबानी. Banana means केला. Mango means आम. Grapes means अंगूर. Guava means अमरूद. Cherry means cherry. Lemon means नींबू. Plum means बेर. Pineapple means ananas. Lychee means lychee. Pomegranate means अनार. Orange means संतरा. Peach means आड़ू. Papaya means पपीता. Custard apple means शरीफा. Watermelon means तरबूज. Muskmelon means खरबूजा. Strawberry means strawberry. Tamarind means इमली. Coconut means नारियल. Blackberry means जामुन. Blueberry means नीलबद्री. Cranberry means करौंदा. Gooseberry means आंवला. Dragon fruit means कमलगम. Fig fruit means अंजीर. Jackfruit means कटहल. Kiwi means कीवी. Monk fruits means साधुफल. Raspberry means रसभरी. Sapodilla means चीकू. Passion fruits means कृष्णफल. Water cashew nut means सिंघाड़ा. Wood apple means बेल. Star fruit means कमरक अमरखा. Mulberry means सहतूत. Wow. Sweet limes mean मौसमी. Manila tamarind means jungle jalebi. Jujube means bear. Thanks for watching.